Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this Android 9 Pie system 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen special for Honda Accord 8th generation. Okay, let me unbox the review. Let me open the box. It has a big box, very big. Okay, you can check head unit with good condition. This dash kit. This is special harness. The compass already built in the head unit. This special head unit. Okay, let me introduce harness it first. Let me check this dash kit. This will come with head units. You can check. And the back. Okay. Let me show the harness. Okay, you can check this harness. This connector connects back our head unit, and this radio antenna. Okay. Those connector. You can check. It's called 8 power cable. This connector and this male is and this also will come with the head unit, this harness, and this audio cable, this audio out, this AUX left and right AUX input, AUX input left and right, this front out, this front out left and right. Okay, this harness will come with head units. The head unit will come with a GPS antenna. You can check GPS antenna and external microphone. This audio cable. It's audio and the camera input. This connector back our head units, and this camera input RCA type. And this audio cable, this connect our back head unit. This subwoofer RCA type. This video out 1 and video out 2. It's the AUX out, left and right, front and rear. Okay. This is AUX input. You can check AUX in left and right input and left and right is video input. Okay, let me show the header unit. Okay, you can check this header unit front 10.1 inch. And put down the camera. Okay, this header unit you can check. There is the card slot. This home button is built-in microphone reset home. You can check side. And then this side. And back there are two USB cable. This is external microphone. This long cable you can check. This is radio port, radio antenna. This is Wi-Fi antenna. This connector. This fuse, this power, this is GPS port. Okay, this is single DIN header unit you can check. Okay. Let me power with 12 voltage. Power on. And the header unit will show power system. You can check. It's 10.1 inch RPS touchscreen single DIN header unit. Please take out this screw protector before using. Okay, system started. This taskbar, you can adjust the brightness